Attracting people, whether socially, professionally, or romantically, comes down to a few key principles. 1. Confidence and authenticity. Be comfortable with who you are. Confidence is naturally attractive. Don't try to be someone you're not. People are drawn to authenticity. 2. Good communication skills. Listen actively. People love feeling heard. Maintain eye contact and use open body language. Be engaging, ask thoughtful questions, and show genuine interest. 3. Positive energy and charisma. People are drawn to positivity. Smile, be optimistic, and avoid constant negativity. Be warm and approachable. Small gestures like a kind word or a compliment go a long way. 4. Take care of yourself. Personal hygiene, dressing well, and maintaining good posture boost attractiveness. Stay physically active and maintain good health. It boosts confidence and appeal. 5. Have passion and ambition. People admire those with goals and dreams. Find what excites you and pursue it. Being passionate about something makes you more interesting and engaging. 6. Be a giver, not just a taker. Show kindness, help others, and be supportive. People appreciate those who bring value to their lives, whether through support, humor, or wisdom. 7. Develop a sense of humor. A good sense of humor is one of the most attractive traits. Don't be afraid to laugh at yourself and make others laugh. 8. Be socially active. Put yourself in situations where you can meet new people, events, hobbies, social gatherings. Be open to conversations and build relationships organically. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities because it signals strength, self-assurance, and reliability. Here's how confidence naturally draws people in. 1. It creates a magnetic presence. Confident people have a strong presence that makes others take notice. They walk with purpose, speak with conviction, and carry themselves in a way that commands respect. 2. It signals security and stability. People are naturally drawn to those who seem secure in themselves. Confidence suggests that you know who you are, what you want, and aren't easily shaken by challenges. 3. It encourages trust and respect. When someone is confident, others feel they can trust and rely on them. This applies in leadership, relationships, and friendships. People gravitate toward those who exude certainty and decisiveness. 4. It makes you more engaging and persuasive. Confidence allows you to express yourself clearly, whether in a conversation, a presentation, or social interactions. People are more likely to listen, believe, and engage with someone who speaks with certainty. 5. It increases social comfort. People feel at ease around confident individuals because they set a relaxed, positive tone. Confidence can make social situations less awkward and more enjoyable for everyone involved. 6. It enhances physical attraction. Good posture, eye contact, and a strong yet relaxed demeanor all contribute to physical attractiveness. Confidence naturally improves body language, making you appear more attractive. 7. It shows that you value yourself. When you believe in yourself, others are more likely to believe in you too. Confidence sends a message that you are worthy of attention, respect, and admiration. The key is to balance confidence with humility. Overconfidence can come off as arrogance. True confidence isn't about proving something to others. It's about being secure in who you are. Attracting others by valuing yourself is all about self-respect, self-care, and self-assurance. When you genuinely value yourself, people naturally gravitate toward you. Here's how. 1. Know your worth. Don't seek validation from others. Instead, recognize your own strengths and accomplishments. Set standards for how you want to be treated and don't settle for less. 2. Set boundaries. People respect those who respect themselves. Learn to say no to things that drain you. Don't overextend yourself just to please others. Value your time and energy. 3. Take care of your mind and body. Practice self-care, exercise, eat well, and get enough rest. Engage in activities that make you feel happy and fulfilled. 4. Speak and act with confidence. Maintain good posture, eye contact, and a calm, assured tone when you speak. Avoid apologizing unnecessarily or downplaying your achievements. 5. Pursue your passions and goals. People are attracted to those with ambition and a sense of purpose. Find what excites you and go after it. It makes you naturally more interesting and engaging. 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Let go of toxic relationships that make you question your worth. 7. Don't chase, attract. When you truly value yourself, you don't feel the need to beg for attention or approval. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and the right people will come into your life. 8. Radiate self-love and positivity. A person who loves themselves exudes positive energy, making them naturally attractive. Smile, be kind, and appreciate the good things about yourself and your life.